Hey guys, this is Johnny at NC Trailers. We're looking at our Maxx-D LKX gooseneck trailer. This is a 30-foot gooseneck trailer, 25,000 pound GVW. We've got our dual landing gear on the front, integrated toolbox, nice deep toolbox, lock and key, side step, stake pockets, rub rail, two 12,000 pound axles, dual tandem, underbody box, electric over hydraulic, brakes, Maxx ramps, cleated dovetail. Again, this is the Maxx-D LKX at NC Trailers.